So here I am back again. I've made another colour change there to balance out the pattern. So with this one I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nails, rounds that are woven with the variegated colour, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, was it 8 or 9? 8 rounds that are woven with the blue, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think it's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it'll be 8 with the variegated. So I'm up to the last 2 rounds. You can see here, 2 nails. Count the corner, 1, 2. And the same side of the other side, 1, 2 nails to go. You'll see here it tends to bow in towards the middle, but that's quite easy to fix. You just get the back of your hook and push the gap open, makes it easier to weave. So I'll just weave off the second last round here, and again only going through a few strands at a time. Turn the hook, and here's a little trick: you turn the hook to the side so it slides easily between the strands of yarn, and just push the head down a bit. It just makes it simpler to get through. Use your finger again to hold the yarn while you're weaving your hook. Get your hook through, hook it on, push the head down, and it slides easily through. Make sure there's no twists. Look, I've made a twist. So untwist it and pull it open. You can see along there it's not twisted. It's a good reason to do only a few strands at a time. It's easy to see where you need to weave, whether you're going under or over, because you're just doing opposite of the strand before. So if you have a look, you should be able to see here, the last one's been going over, so I need to go under, over, under, etc. So if you're not sure where you are, that's an easy way to figure it out. But once again, always at the very far right, that strand you will always weave under that strand. If you do that, you'll stay on track. Nearly to the end. Couple of strands. Whoops. Under, over, under. It does get a little bit fiddly towards the end, but that's the second last. Pull that with a bit of tension, and then, as I said, use the back of the hook. Just spread those 2 strands open so you know where you're going. Okay, so weaving through, you see this bottom piece here. The last pass, both of these strands have gone over this piece, and they're also going to go over this last strand across. See where the orange yarn is? They're intending to go over. I just need to lock in the piece I'll need to go under. But this is what we need to do for the final pass. And for this, I'm just going to zoom in a bit so you can see. That's out, in. Okay. So what we need to do is we measure the width of the loom with our yarn, and we'll cut it. Because the last pass is a single pass. And the yarn will go all the way through. You can again leave enough tail to sew them together if you want to, and cut it accordingly. So just the little thing that you need to do on this final corner before you weave the last pass through is stick your hook under. Can you see that? You stick your hook under the last piece you've woven, and hook the yarn through there and pull it through. That way you're locking in the final thread. As you go around the nail, you're going to go over it. Can you see that? So we've gone under, and now we're going over, and we just weave as we had before. So opposite to the previous. So under, over, under, over, under. We pull it all the way through. I'm going to finish this all the way across. Turn the hook on the side and push it head down to make it glide smoothly between the two strands of yarn. Nearly to the end. It's a bit awkward doing it on the table. I normally hold it in my lap. And it's great just to sit while you're watching television or whatever you want to do while you're sitting. And weave with it. So last one, under, always under. Hook that through. And this corner needs to be locked in as well. So go around the nail, and it will be going over. So it's come under the final strand here. We're going around, we're going over. And what I like to do, once again, zooming in a bit so we can see what's going on. Let's put it so that it can be seen. There we go. I'll put my finger on the yarn, place the yarn over, and then just use the hook and go between the last two strands. Around, whoops, hook it, and then pull, hook through, and what you've done is create a little knot there, which you loop and lock it all into place. There you go, you've completed that. So that is your square all fully made, and we'll zoom out again and I'll show you how to remove your square from the frame. Now just use your hook place it between any two nails near the corner. I actually find using the end of the hook is easier, and just pop it off the nails, push it out, and pop it off the nails. Work on two sides. Don't worry if you're pulling the yarn looking all horrible and uneven, but it's okay, because as I said before, the tension will even out when it's removed. Once you've got a corner, two corners off, comes straight off like a zipper. There we go. And then you just play around with it a bit, pull it, give it a bit of tension, smooth it, pull the corners, and there you go, you've got your one completed square, all ready to sew to another square or edge or what have you. So that's it, that's the tutorial of the bi-square loom. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope it's helpful. Please let me know what you think of it. I'm Mr. Stiltskin, and it's been lovely to share this information with you. Bye for now. Hope to see you soon.